Kuma o kiumia githiru ateti na atongoria matiganite makoretwo magicinurana na kurumana king'ang'a-ini makaganira iteo na tondu wa itheru ni arihagwo. Itheru riri ihunyuku rikinyite kinyagia ambunge Nge'no na Sudi kwirikana ati macinurite na kuruma President Uhuru Kenyatta hamwe na family yake
iria mararirie makiagira giteo Maitu wa bururi uyu mama ngina Kenyatta ni undu ucio noe Maitu wa Kenya na Maitu ndari arumo Maitu ndarumagwo
ni undu wa kwagira bururi iteo kwagira andu iteo na kwiyumiria ona kwagira president witu giteo.
Atongoria magikumithia miario ino ya atongoria acio makiuga ngurani cia kiuteti itibatie gukinyia bururi gikiro-ini giki.
She does not qualify to be bashed politically. All I know, in the history of this republic, she has never appeared in any ballot box as a candidate.
What we heard from Johanna Nge'no and Oscar Sudi yesterday was not a disagreement with President Uhuru Kenyatta. It was a personal attack.
Ono ngikorwo ndwendete uria wikarire giti kia president no akorwo ni aikarire giti kiu ni kiagirirwo kiheo gitio.
Miario ino ya Nge'no na Sudi o ringi kionania uriku uria bururi uri hari gutiana na makiria gutia ihoto cia atumia na haria maigitwo mikire-ini ya maundu ya bururi.
As women of Kenya, we demand simple decency and civility and respect to women in general.
You cannot abuse other leaders to gain power, including mothers of this country. You have no business abusing Mama Ngina, because abusing her is abusing all the mothers of this country.
Naya tondu ni tanake ake no ndemerire ni magiriire kuhoya muhera tondu kuruma mama ni kuruma Maitu wa bururi uyu wa Kenya.
Na tondu ya matharara imundagia ya nyeki na wanarumwo ni nyoka onaga kamukwa agethithimukwo bururi uraigwa ugithithimukwo ni miario ya atongoria aya nangi waririkana miaka ya 92, 97 na 2007 riria miario teno yatobereirie bururi rũĩ-inĩ rwa Mũro na ironda cia aria magerirwo ngero iraigwa ikihenukwo ni ruo na kieha.
I appeal to these leaders to stand for the united Kenya and tell off those preaching war and issuing threats against fellow Kenyans. This country has known bad times before because of politics.
Na ni magirirwo kwira Kenya ni marahitirie, ni magirirwo kuga sorry, na magirirwo gwika uguo na ihenya muno.
Johanna Nge'no athuretwo na tigiti wa kiama gia KANU gicigo-ini giake kia ubunge kia Murwadikir kaunti-ini ya Narok na riu kiama kiu kiugite ni kimutunyukithitie giturwa kiu na riu kirenda githurano kieru kia ubunge gitafanio kuu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Your Honor, the words that